Hi, I'm Steve Minning, CEO of PAM. PAM provides a suite of digital tools for owners of large properties to build a connected network of digital and physical customer touchpoints. Property managers and operators capture, design, and maintain a network of customer touchpoints and real-time data to provide contextual messaging to visitors that will enhance their time within the precinct. PAM Studio is the key to managing a combination of physical and digital signage across any complex environment. Scale and manage a wayfinding system across a city, district, or precinct, and deliver real-time content across the floor of a building or just for an individual room or event space. Use the PAM Studio to design your environmental navigation experience. Quickly plan the location of objects, signs, sensors, digital displays, kiosks, and any customer touchpoint you want to include in those environments. As you will see in the following video, augmented reality is now playing an important role in the location planning process, allowing you to truly understand how objects will integrate into their environment before committing to budgets. PAM Studio delivers significant operational efficiency, empowers operators with real-time content updates, and improves the customer experience. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'm going to show you a project that we're currently working on for the Australian National University. Here we've got the entire campus. There are about 8,500 different touch points, some of them physical, some of them digital, every sign, every branded element you can imagine. So we're going to zoom into a lot of detail, and this is a cloud-based platform, so anybody can collaborate and work on it at any point in time. And you can see the exact content that's going to be applied onto each one of these signs. For instance, this is a totem sign, and it identifies the entry to a building. It has the number, the tenant of the building. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can actually see the location of where that sign is. So we can see it technically on a map, but visually, there's an older sign here that they're going to get rid of, and here's the new sign. So one of the difficult things is understanding not just where you technically place a sign, but where you actually physically orientate it relative to the environment. And this can be really complicated, and a lot of drawings will be produced. So we've got an app that helps you do the sign placement in the actual environment. So it's an augmented reality app. We'll show you how that works. So here's the AR app, which you can click on, Australian National University. It's got thousands of signs in there. You can choose the placement, parking, but this one's for the front of a building. Quick tutorial. And what that does is it scans the environment, it understands the context of it, and then it puts the sign at the right size in that environment. And then you can rotate it depending on how you see that sign. And where you want it located, a little bit further back, rotate it back this way, maybe a slight angle, happy with it, take a photo, and then that uploads into the platform. So after doing the AR placement of the signs themselves, they then get uploaded against each one of the assets. The installers can then see the exact location of how they're going to orientate and place those signs. That's an example of using that AR technology to rapidly place and deploy where signs will be located.